In this video, I will show you how to create a rankif formula to rank items based on specific criteria in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have a table containing a list of employees, their departments and their scores. Now I want to calculate the rank of each employee by their department or group. Excel has the rank function that calculates the overall rank based on the scores regardless of the department. Since Excel does not provide any conditional rank function like rankif, I will use the COUNTIF function to create a formula that calculates the rank based on the category, criteria or condition. The COUNTIF function returns the count of cells in a range that meet one or more criteria. We can provide more than one pair of range and criteria arguments to this function. I will count the employees of the same department having scores greater than the current employee to calculate the group or category wise ranks. Let's start the formula by typing an equal sign in the target cell. Now type COUNTIF followed by an opening bracket. I will select the department column as the first range argument and then the current department name, that is cell C3, as the first condition. This way we will match the current row's department name with the department column. Now I will select the scores column as the second range. We want to get the scores greater than the current score, so I will mention the greater than sign in the double quotes followed by an ampersand sign and then the current score, that is cell D3, as the second condition argument. This range and condition pair will count the number of scores greater than the current row score. Since we want to calculate the rank, I will add 1 to the overall count, because if there are two employees in the same department having a score greater than yours, then your rank becomes 3. I will also make the department and score range references absolute using the dollar signs like this so that they do not change when we copy this formula to other cells. Overall, this formula means count all the employees of the same department having a score greater than the current row score and then add 1 to it. Hit the enter key to complete the formula. Let's copy the formula to other cells by dragging the cell down from the bottom right corner of the cell. As you can see, all the ranks are now calculated in descending order based on the same department or group condition. In the IT department, the employee with a score of 92 ranks first, 86 ranks second and 72 ranks third. Similarly, in the sales department, the employee with a score of 96 ranks first, 86 ranks second and 82 ranks third. Sometimes we want to calculate the rank by category or group in ascending order. So an item having the lowest score comes first and then item having the highest score comes last. It is particularly useful in some scenarios. For example, when we want to calculate the race results, the person with the shortest time duration to complete the race comes first while the person who took the longest time comes last. To do that, I will make a very simple change in the formula. Instead of using the greater than sign, I will use the less than sign so that the COUNTIF formula counts the rows of the same department having the smaller score values than the current row. As you can see, we now have the ranks calculated in ascending order. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you find this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.